Hi friends, welcome to Little Bit of Knowledge. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about unit of measurements. So we are going to discuss about three units of measurements, which are imperial units, US customary units and SI units. In imperial and US customary units, the method they are using is FPS system, that is foot, pound and second system. So foot is for measuring the length, pound is to measure the weight and second is to measure the time. And SI units or modified metric system, we are using two different systems, which are CGS system, which is centimeter, gram and second, and similarly MK system, which is meter, kilogram and seconds. So here imperial system of units is widely used in Britain, India, Hong Kong, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, Bahamas and Myanmar, which is earlier conquered or colonized by Britain. For subunits, we have length, area, volume and weight. So for length, they are using inch, foot, mile, etc. Similarly, for area, they are using square feet, acre, square inches, etc. And here, volume means fluid volume. So for fluid volume, they are using fluid ounce, pint, gallon and etc. Similarly, for weights, we are using ounce, pound and stone. Next, let's discuss about US customary units. So US customary system of units are also based on English system of units. So the thing is, it is more or less same as imperial system of measurements. The only difference we could see between imperial system of units and US customary system of units is in fluid volume. So here in US customary units, they have separate units for dry goods and wet goods. So next we are going to look at SI units or international system of units. It is a modern form of metric system. So SI units or international system of units are established and maintained by General Conference on Weights and Measures. So these are the metric prefix we are using in our day-to-day lives. So these prefixes are differed in terms of 10 to the power. Okay, so in terms of multiplication of 10, we are differing these metric prefixes, which is for tera it is 10 power 12, for pico it is 10 power minus 12. Okay, so these units we used to go by our day-to-day lives, which are terabytes, gigabytes, megabyte, kilometer, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter or decameter, unity which is 1, and a decimeter, deciliter, centimeter, millimeter, micrometer, nanometer and picometer. Okay, so once you look at deci, which is 10 to the power minus 1, which is also 0.1. So from deci we are going to have decimal points in our units. Okay, so that's why it is deci. So that's why it has a metric prefix of deci. So next we can discuss about SI base units. So SI has a total of 7 base units, which are time, length, mass, electricity, temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. The image we see here is a cylinder of platinum and iridium alloy, which was earlier used to define a kilogram of weight. And similarly, the scale we see here is a model or prototype of meter. After the General Conference on Weight and Measure, which happened on 2019, all these were made into a certain constant so that there won't be any conflict in future. In this video, we have looked at the basics of unit of measurements. In our future videos, we will be discussing about each SI subunits separately. Thank you. Thank you friends. Do like, share and subscribe to Little Bit of Knowledge and keep supporting us.